We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are, MMTLP stock, continuing to fight to hold support here above the 45-cent area, retesting it and doing a full transition from the rip area to the dip area. And it wasn't the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot at 9:35 a.m. sent out a bear indicator, and from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside, pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 250% plus within an hour, guys. And as you see it popping up there within the screen, within the options chain, some options even went higher than that. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are, MMTLP stock, Mullen Automotive Inc., doing a full transition, coming back to retest a key support level and trying to fight to stay above 45 cents in the after hours. But before we break it all down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run today was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run today was from our Google bot. Our Google bot at 10:10 a.m. sent out a bear indicator, and from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside, pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 80% plus within an hour, guys. And as you see it popping up there within the screen, within the options chain, some options even went higher than that. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are at MMTLP stock, Mullen Automotive Inc., doing a full transition from the rip area to the dip area here. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflows as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are at MMTLP stock, Mullen Automotive Inc., under a bear indicator since yesterday in the after hours at the 49-cent area, and it rejected not that far off of it at the 51-cent area at today's open. Inflows are still above on the 30-minute, and quickly this bull indicator that popped up at 45 cents and the attempt to retest and break out from 50 cents yesterday has quickly gotten rejected, and a full transition has happened from the rip area to the dip area, guys. This is going to be a crucial level of support going into tomorrow and the rest of the week to not ignore, guys. If that gets broken through, this could start to head to newer lows that we have not seen since the last time it reached the 40 cent to 39 cent area. Definitely something to not overlook here. So here it is, coming back down towards 45 cents, slightly breaking through it, and the recent lows was 44 cents. If that gets broken through, it's going to be critical and crucial for the bulls to try to reappear and bring that strength back up to cancel out this bear indicator and try to get these inflows back up, not on the 30-minute, but on the 15-minute within the volatility, right? Inflows picked up yesterday, came back down. It is under a bear indicator since the first half of the day at around the 47-cent area, and outflows are really close to the midpoint here. If this crosses to the downside, it could quickly start to reflect even further weakness into these charts and retest key support levels. Now, here it is doing a full transition again from the rip area to the dip area in the volatility. And when we zoom out and look at this from the 1 hour, we can also go ahead and see here in the bigger picture how it got a bear indicator as well, and full transition from the rip area to the dip area in the last 2 days, and a bear indicator popped up here at the 47-cent area. Now, what are the key levels I'll be watching? Well, the first thing is support, guys, and the first support level is 44 cents. If that gets broken through, the next support I'll be watching is the 40-cent area, and then below that is the 37-cent to 35-cent area. Now, to the upside, it's going to be crucial and critical for these inflows to pick back up here on the 15-minute and switch from red to green and go ahead and cancel out this bear indicator as that strength starts to reflect into these charts with a possible bull indicator and start those transitions back up. And it's going to be crucial and critical if that strength can roll over into the 30-minute as well and go ahead and cancel out this bear indicator from up here at the 49-cent area and start reflecting that strength into these charts as well. Now, the first resistance is the 47-cent area. Then above that, I'll be watching the 50-cent area, and then the recent highs up here of the 55 to 54-cent area. I would not ignore that. These are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. The bull and bear indicators are going to be crucial, as well as the inflow versus outflows. I'm going to watch them closely, and I would not overlook it, especially with how the 15-minute is really close to the midpoint and it's red, and it's going to be crucial and critical for these inflows to pick back up to justify any strength to the upside and for this to pull away from this critical support level here of the 44 to 45 cent area. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money. So if you made it this far into the video and you are a swing trader or looking to gain an edge when it comes to swing trading, you're definitely going to want to check this out. And this is our new swing bot that will be fully released really soon. And so far, it has sent 2 notifications in the last several days, right? The first one, as you see it popping up there, was NVIDIA on Friday of last week at around $444. And the other one was Tesla yesterday in the pre-market, and from yesterday to today, and even yesterday alone, it ran up nearly $10 plus. Now, when it comes to the NVIDIA one, you could see it popping up there on the screen. I shared the chart yesterday, and I also circled an area, as you see it there in the chart, how it kept on bouncing off that support and trying to hold above 444. And then I put a line across when that notification came in. And now you're seeing this other chart, which I shared today in the pre-market. And I stated, right, you could see the same line there. And I put the swing bot notification there at around the 444 area. It was already opening up from yesterday to today at 449. And I talked about in that purple area, the area that kept on acting like support. And there was a strong resistance in the pre-market and previous days at the 452 area. And the bulls would need to break through that for possible continuation. Not guaranteed, but it was important, and inflows needed a cross. Now, when you see it here in the next chart, going into the open, it was broken through, bull indicator popped up, and then inflows crossed over. And you could see the purple area that continued to act like support. And NVIDIA calls were up nearly 100% plus with the swing notification bot since it was sent out, right? And you can see that blue line again where that notification was sent at that after hours on Friday. So this is our new swing bot. If you take a look at Tesla too, it sent it out at around the $256 area, and Tesla went to highs here of nearly $270 in the last 2 days, and it was sent out yesterday in the pre-market, right around this area. and the full move. So typically with these swing bots and the notifications that come in, they're there to add perspective. Nothing's guaranteed, but the goal is for it to add perspective. Take a look for possible support levels and bullish confirmations of a reversal. And from there, it typically pans out within several days to weeks, but sometimes it could happen this fast within 1 or 2 days. And when it does, I typically tend to make a rational decision because maybe my goals and strategy and expectations have been met, right? I don't want to get too greedy either, but I wanted to share with you guys our new swing bot that's going to be notifying directly into our Discord on high probability opportunities based off specific criterias and dip areas of wire Fred borders, as I call them, on multiple time frames and other criterias to confirm of the possibility of it looking like a possible support or area to not ignore for a possible swing of a reversal. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.